Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a horse sketch. Begin by lightly sketching 3 main circles, one for the chest, one for the hindquarters, and a smaller one for the head. Connect these with a gentle curve for the spine, establishing the horse's overall pose. Think of these as your foundational building blocks. This initial step is crucial for capturing the horse's dynamic movement and correct proportions before adding any detailed features. Next, focus on the horse's anatomy and proportions. Use the head's length as a guide for other body parts to maintain accuracy. Sketch the neck, ensuring it flows smoothly from the head to the chest. Then, lightly draw the legs, paying close attention to the placement of joints like the knees and hocks. Visualize the underlying bone and muscle structure to give your horse a realistic form. Now it's time to refine the horse's features. Carefully add details to the head, including expressive eyes, defined nostrils, and a well-shaped mouth. Pay attention to the subtle bumps and contours around these areas. For the mane and tail, use loose, flowing lines to create the appearance of natural hair. Remember to consider the direction of the hair growth across the body for added realism. Finally, bring your horse sketch to life with shading and texture. Imagine a light source and apply darker tones to create shadows, giving your drawing depth and volume. Use different pencil pressures and strokes to suggest the smooth texture of the horse's coat and the coarser hair of the mane and tail. Layering your shading will help build up realistic tonal values. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep practicing, and your horse sketches will continue to improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.